Met you a month ago, spring break in Mexico. I just got back, started searching my pockets. That's something I do before I'm sitting and watch shit. So I came across your name and your number, calling me flashback on your face, so I wondered if you remember the kid that you met. But if not, it's cool. Here, let me walk you through.
Hey, yo, listen up, boo, I got shit to do. So speed it up with all that walking me through. Yeah, I was at Cancun last month, that's true. Out there with the crew, I don't recall you. Was you by yourself or with your boys? On the side with the rowdy crowd making noise. You rocking what jewels and kicks are in shoes. So many dudes there, so make yourself clear. I'm on my way now.
Like you don't know me, ma. You met me in a white tee, nice sneakers, ma. Nice chain around my neck, blue academic sweats, new phone closet, smack town in my closet. I met you in some nice lemon jeans, yo. With a straight face, she was running with a team, so I came over like shorty, you bad, and put my hand on your arm like you carried your bag. Remember?
I know how we met, won't pretend to forget. I'm chilling with my set, got a little wet. We always tugging it, him not bugging him. Do something different, started to have visions. Could've been the liquor, but I moved a little quicker. No switching, walk with a limp and I'm up at the fashion, not much for the bragging. Told you when I'm with you, boo, I'm down for the blast. I wonder if I could see you, little of you. Go ahead and grab things, don't hurry, 'cause I'm on my way now. I wonder if I could see you, little of you. Go ahead and grab things, don't hurry, 'cause I'm on my way now.
I'm trying to get up with you if that's cool with you. Come by, I beat the horn, you hop in the pool. We could do whatever, it's whatever you like. Cause after spending all night, I'm spending the night. How about me and you hit the morning, get fresh, then meet my man Jake, put something up on your neck. Cause look, it's only right you shotgun when I ride. Cause when I shine, you shine, right?
Yeah, I heard that.
Right.
The proof is a fact.
Cool.
I ain't too much for the chitter and chat.
Alright.
Still all good.
Yeah.
One chance I could. You know where I'm at, to be up in the hood.
What time?
Birds on the watch when you come to the block.
So what?
They see you in the drop, pulling up to the spot.
Let's go.
We make a tight team,
Cool.
as hard as it seems.
Right.